was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes.
Hey Glam Squad, I hope you are doing well. Today I am in my kitchen. I am going to refresh it for fall.
Took my hand, said, let's leave now.
Without any delay, we are getting started, and I am getting started in the coffee station area. I'm just gonna let you guys watch what I'm doing. Many of the things that you guys are seeing in today's video are from my website www.glamstylehomedecor.com, and some of them are from local stores like Home Goods, Happy Lappy, and Home Sense. My last video was a kitchen clean with me video. At the end of the video, I did a haul showing you many of the things that's going to be in today's video. If you did not get a chance to check it out, definitely check it out. The link will be in the description box. If you are visiting me for the first time, welcome to the Glam Squad family. My name is Dalou. I share glam home decor videos, a little bit of cleaning, sometimes a little bit of DIY. If you're interested in any of these topics, please subscribe. Turn your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And to you, my fellow Glam Squad, thanks for stopping by today. I love you all. I appreciate all of your love, your support. Lately, I have been enjoying my coffee with nutmeg and cinnamon, so that's what I'm having in these two containers. By the way, the glass containers that I was using earlier for my coffees and the other things are from my website.
Be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said, let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna love out.
On the island, I started with this beautiful tray. It is really beautiful. The gold is very vibrant and I love the shape. It's very nice and modern.
Talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you.
Followed by this beautiful vase. This vase is from my website. I love the shape. It is really nice. It's different and modern. I love everything about this vase. If you're interested, it is on my website.
Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down.
And these are the floor arrangement that I have. They are from Happy Lappy. I have a combination of two different set of branches. Actually, I have 3 set of branches. Okay, these are the 3 set of branches that I have to create the bouquet. First is this one. Follow by this one, which is more like a velvety type of branch, and this one. That's what I use to make this beautiful bouquet. And then on the tray, I have these beautiful orangey brownish candles. To finish the look, I added a very, very beautiful, gorgeous pumpkin. On this side, I started with this spread. It is a very beautiful spread, very stylish. Followed by this leaf bowl with my fruits. And then I have a pumpkin. On this side, I'm also having my paper towel holder. It's this one. It is for my website.
But smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on.
On the back here, I started with several cutting boards. Most of them I use on a daily basis, except for this one, which is a pumpkin shape and it has gold, so I don't use that one often. But this way it is easy for me to find my cutting board to use them, but at the same time I am using them as decor pieces. In my kitchen, I really like to have items that are functional but decorative at the same time.
Forever, forever, forever.
Followed by this marble tray, and then on the marble tray I have this beautiful pumpkin.
Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up.
And then I have these flowers with this white vase. Over here, I kept everything the same. Everything is useful items with just a candle. I bought these oil glass containers from Amazon. They came in a pack of 4. I'm using 2 of them to put my olive oil. I really love them. They are so modern, so beautiful. It has the label, but I'm not gonna use the label. I prefer to have it like that.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
On top of the stove, I have this item here, this beautiful big pumpkin bowl. It's very beautiful, really nice. Over here, I'm keeping it simple, just a brown candle. This is a DIY wreath. I used the garland that I got from Hobby Lobby to make the wreath. It was easy to make. I just turned it into a circle and used 2 clips to keep it together.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on
These are the towels that I'm gonna be using on the stove. This time I am using 3.
And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
My beautiful friends, please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my fall kitchen decor. Did you have an area that was your favorite? Please let me know down in the comment section. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend. And before you leave, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you to all of you for stopping by today. I look forward to seeing you all on the next video. I love you always. Bye-bye.